This is just a very quick video to show you how to remove duplicates. So you'll see here I just have 3 random names that are repeated. So you'll see sheet 1, sheet 3, sheet 2. Okay, so let's say you had a list of email addresses or phone numbers or songs or anything like that, and there's a very easy way to actually remove the duplicates and just keep the unique values, one of each, right? So you can select this column here and then literally just go to data and then remove duplicates. Click on that and it will ask you in which column you want it to be removed, and just say okay. It says 26 duplicate values found and removed, 3 unique values remain. So it is literally as easy as that.